Hello viewers, today what I'm going to show you is how to change the rear emblem of BMW X5 E70. This specific one is 2013. I've already changed the front emblem. This video is not for changing the front emblem or the front roundel or logo, whatever you call it. The video is actually for the rear one. So we're going to go to the back, and here it is. And the thing is that I have already taken this out. Taking it out was not as easy. However, I'm going to tell you what you need to take it out, and then what, exactly where you need to poke and all that. I could not do the video while I was trying it out because it was quite a bit of task. So the things that you definitely need, first of all, we have to make sure that I'll show you. First of all, you do not try to take it out here, right? This is not where it comes off. It comes off right here, the frame. The whole thing comes off. Some people have confusion that this comes off and this will go back in. No, that's not how it is. It comes off right at the edge. And the second thing is that taking this out is not as easy as taking the emblem from the front end. The front emblem is much easier. This is super tight because I'm going to show you, as I have already taken it out. Okay, there is a glue that goes around here, which I have also taken out. It goes right behind the back, and these two prongs, they go into the rubber grommets here, grommet or grommet, however you pronounce it. You have to excuse my pronunciation. I'm not an English speaking person. And then the things that you definitely need are prying tools. But let me tell you guys, the prying tool themselves are not going to do the job unless you have a super strong prying tool. Look at it. My prying tools already are damaged, and they cannot take the pressure. When I try to pry them out, they bend all the way to the fullest, and it still won't, this thing won't come out. So what you need is definitely a flathead screwdriver. Okay, and when I say you need a flathead screwdriver, that means you definitely need this blue painting tape to put around, because you're gonna damage. And to tell you honestly, I have damaged this as I try to take it out. You can see some damages here. I really wanted to do it without damaging, but I really couldn't do it. The other thing that you need, your grommets will not first go through this opening here. This is so tight. You need credit cards. Okay, look at it. My credit cards are also they got peeled off. It's so tight. The plastic cover of the credit card went out. So I'm not going to show you how I did that because it's not really needed. First, you need to put the blue tapes, and then you need to manage whatever way you can do. Slide the credit cards in through here. Okay, the prongs are right here. So you need to start from here. Probably for me, at least, this side was actually a little bit, it was possible for me to put the credit card through here, then here or here or here. Okay, and then I slided the credit card out here, and I put another credit card one, put it out here, and then as I slided them in, I put the prongs, the prying tool over here, and then I used the screwdriver to put it on top of the credit card, or actually underneath the credit card, and try to kind of pry it out. That's how I did it. I'm gonna show you the emblem that I'm gonna replace it with is the BMW 50th anniversary heritage emblem. And then, as I have taken it out, of course people tell that how they don't, many people do not tell you how important it is to get adhesive remover, because this foamy rubbery spongy thing, it doesn't want to come off. And as you can see, I have damaged the paint. I did not use a screwdriver. I just used my credit card and my nail to peel off this, and it already damaged the paint came off. But since it's inside the emblem, I don't care that much. However, what you can do is, alternative to adhesive, as my son brought it up, or could be peanut butter, could be vegetable oil, could be vinegar, or what else? something else. Okay, so I don't have glue gun or adhesive remover right now, so I have put vegetable oil, and they said that soak it for an hour, so I'm gonna let it soak it for an hour. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna and hold it please, I'm gonna put the new one, and it has the adhesive at the back. I don't think adhesives are needed, but you need to really peel them off, because otherwise it's not going to be a good fit. That's about it. Okay, as I put the new one and as I peel it off, I'll continue the video. Thank you. So after an hour of keeping the vegetable oil on the surface, on those gluey material, we were able to get rid of it, but not as smooth. As you can see, there are a lot of residues left, but that should be good enough. Of course, like the paint came out in a couple of places. That could be from while I was trying to insert the screwdriver, or while I was trying to get rid of this residue, but we do not know. But that's what it is. Now, since we applied oil, we have to apply soap water again to get rid of the oil, because otherwise the gluey tape that is on the back of the new emblem is not going to stick. So we have to really wash it good and get rid of the oil. Okay, now I'm back the next day, and I have removed most of the glue, but of course, as you can see, it's a pretty bad job. I used vegetable oil, and then I again cleaned it with soap water, because the oil of course is slippery, so you need to get rid of the oil. And I'm gonna put this one right. Of course, you can see for the gluey part there's a red tape, so I was trying to figure out exactly like how does work. So apparently this red piece is a plastic that I'll have to remove, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I remove the tape. And after that, we're just gonna push it in there. I'm just trying to do it by myself now, because my son is not here anymore. He left for the day, so I might not be able to show you exactly what it takes to peel off that the red plastic piece. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to peel that plastic piece off. It's very thin. When you try to get it, you better have some nail or some kind of it's very easy to pull off the black part as well, or grab onto the black part when you're trying to peel off the plastic one. So I would suggest that have some kind of knife or some kind of pin, because there is really no edge where it says peel it off here. So you have to be very careful not to grab onto the black part, which is actually the glue. So here it is. Since I'm doing it all by myself, my son is not here, so here it is. I peeled it off. I'm gonna peel off the rest and put it back on the car. Okay, so it is here, that's there. So all we do is make sure it's going into the grommet and put it here. Good push, a big push. It doesn't feel like it's, I'm sorry, it's my shaking. It doesn't feel like it's going in. People suggest actually to use some kind of a hair dryer. Okay, now it's time to peel off the glue tape. So yes, I did damage inside the paint, but then again, this car has a lot of other damages, so that's why I didn't care. But my suggestion would be is that if you don't have to really do it, don't go for this kind of changes, which really doesn't bring you much value. It's just a passion thing, right? I just loved it, I just like this one, that's why I got it. But really, did I really have to do it? No, I didn't. Still did it. I hope it stays, because if it falls off, well, I still have the old one, but the old one doesn't have the glue part in it. Okay, and many people suggested to use some kind of hair dryer while trying to pry it out, because that helps with the glue. But I did not have a hair dryer in the house, or any other way to heat it up, and it was kind of cold in here, even though it's in Texas. It was kind of cold. Oh, and then don't forget to peel off the sticker on the top, right? The plastic covering, not sticker, plastic covering. Gotta peel that off, then you get a really shiny look. Anyway, this is done, and that's where it goes. The 50th anniversary heritage BMW Roundel on E70 X5. Thank you for watching.